Hi, my name is Nada. I'm an artist based in France, and in this video I wanted to share with you a quick color study of Sunset Seascape. As you can see, I'm still figuring out this filming for YouTube part because I thought to myself that it would be nice filming the palette and the mixing part as well, so you can see all the steps, but I forgot the part where you have to check if the whole palette is actually in frame. But it's okay, I'll walk you through every color I mixed and I'll try to get better at filming next time. So for the first color, I mixed Ultramarine Blue, a bit of Alizarin Crimson and Titanium White, and a touch of Naples Yellow. For the second color, I mixed Naples Yellow with Alizarin Crimson and White. Then for the third color, I took a bit of the previous mix and added some more Naples Yellow and White. Doing this actually helps keeps the painting more cohesive and the colors more harmonious. And next, I did the same by taking a bit of the last mix and adding some Cobalt Blue. Here I mixed White, Naples Yellow, Ultramarine Blue and Alizarin Crimson. Then White, Naples Yellow, and I'm actually not sure if it's Cobalt or Ultramarine Blue, and I added some Cadmium Red to mute the green a little bit since it's complementary color. And finally I mixed Cobalt Blue with White and a bit of the green mix. So those were just a few mixes to get me started, and then I would adjust the colors as I go. I'll share the complete palette in the description. I painted this little study alla prima, which means in one sitting, so I started by laying the colors lightly using a hard bristle brush. This helps me quickly block in all the colors and see how they work together before adding more paint.
Your time, you move like water and taste like wine. You're holier than I am, holier than I am. Gentle hands, gold-lit eyes. I am a man made of borrowed time. You're holier than I am, holier than I am. I am the dust, you are the rain. You pull me close, I push away.
At this point I thought the colors of the sky were not so bad, so I added the second layer of paint using a softer brush this time, because if I had kept using the hard brush, it would have lifted the paint and not allow me to layer the paint.
Afraid I will let you down one day. Still, I don't know how. You're holier than I am, holier than I am. I am the dust, you are the rain. You pull me close, I push away. I swear I love you, but I am afraid, afraid I will let you down one day. As you pull me in, I'll push away.
I then moved to the water using the same approach, so I first laid down the colors and then I added some brush strokes later on the water and the sand to suggest movement.
Just where it was needed, gleamed in black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. Swallows will be here by dawn, and when we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt. Significant life, just what it was needed, clean in the blackest night, cloistered in injustice dead, and in the eyes of time, nobody is losing. The sparrows will be here by dawn. When we finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
So this is how the final study turned out. It's obviously not as good as a finished painting, but I find these little studies very useful to learn from. You can finish them quickly, there's no much at stake, and you get to learn a lot about colors and composition. I actually even hesitated a lot to share this video because the result isn't amazing, but I thought to myself that maybe somewhere out there someone can be interested in seeing the color mixes or how I make this kind of studies, but maybe not, I don't know. Maybe you can let me know in the comments if you watched till this point. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and see you next week.